telling the truth, even if it's the bitter truth, is very important. And one of the fears that people in India have is they look at our quarreling politicians, our hung parliaments, our divisions of race, creed, religion, language, is that we could face, if things aren't handled properly, disintegration. We could be poised at the brink of anarchy.
Well, I have always felt that. If you read my speeches in Parliament, I have warned the members of Parliament that we should not assume that there is a divine destiny which will ensure that India continues to flourish and prosper howsoever we mismanage our economy. Great nations like the Soviet Union have perished. They have disappeared from the surface of the earth. If the Indian polity is not well managed, I think we ought to recognize that a similar danger can overtake us too.
So we could collapse like Eastern European countries, the Soviet Union.
I'm not saying that is on the card right away or that is inevitable, but if we continue to mismanage our economy, if we continue to divide our country on the basis of religion, caste and other sectarian issues, I think there is a great danger of that sort of thing happening.
And it's a serious danger.
It is a serious